Lenny here from One Tech Stop, and this is our unboxing of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. We received this trial device. We want to check it out here. Okay, so this is a little pamphlet here saying the device you received is solely for review and is not for sale. I have no intentions of selling it. And this is the device itself. And it's a very nice looking device, actually. Very nice in hand. Has a nice feel. It can feel very slippery. This is the Midnight Blue. Now this device has a lot going for it. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro has a 6-inch full view display. It's 18.9 OLED display with a PPI of 402. It's 2160 by 1080 pixels and 16.7 million colors. On the back we have this little, almost like a screen protector, but it gives you information. It tells you where the power button is, which is over here, volume buttons, fingerprint sensor. This is a Leica camera. This is the card tray. We have a microphone at the bottom, a USB port here, a speaker here. Here's the front-facing camera. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, now I don't know if you could see this, but this is pretty cool. It gives you the symbols of what exactly are in here. So it looks like there's a charger, there's a USB port, and there's a headphone jack. Well, actually this don't have the headphone jack, so there's headphones. It's probably a USB-C. This looks like it's a case, some instruction pamphlets, and it looks like a SIM ejector. So let's check it out. And this is a case right here, and there is the SIM ejector. And on this side we have the fast charger. We have the USB to USB-C. We have a little adapter, I guess, so you could plug in a 3.5mm jack and use your own headset. And then we have the headset that comes with the device, which is actually very nice. A nice little package. You don't really get all this, well, definitely not from US-based carriers when you're buying from a carrier lock device. So pretty impressive there. Overall, feels very nice. We can compare it to, this is the S9 Plus right here. And as we could see, the S9 Plus is obviously larger. Let me turn this on. And there you go. Screen is beautiful. It's a nice feel. I have a case on the S9 Plus. Feels good in hand. How about we tell you a little bit more about the device? It's running a Kirin 970 octa-core CPU. It also has 6 gigs of RAM built in. It has a 20 megapixel monochrome plus 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of 1.6. It has optical image stabilization. And the front-facing camera is 8 megapixels with a 2.0 aperture. We're going to give this a little test here. We'll have a full review on it. Oh, 2 other things to mention. It's splash, water, and dust resistant, IP67 rating, and it comes with a monster 4,000 milliamp battery, so it should last the full day. Any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. This is Lenny from One Tech Stop, and this was the Huawei Mate 10 Pro unboxing. Thank you.